Welcome. Now it's time to download and install an IDE, and for this course I'm gonna use an IDE called Pycharm, which is an IDE made by JetBrains. Now, you may be wondering, what is an IDE? An IDE stands for an Integrated Development Environment, and it's basically a tool that we're gonna use to write our code. And Pycharm is like a text editor, but a very sophisticated text editor because it has a lot of features like highlighting our code, showing real-time errors and suggestions. In other words, it's making the process of writing code easier and better. Therefore, let's download and install Pycharm. So open your browser. I'm gonna type Pycharm. I'm gonna press enter. I'm gonna click on this link. I'm gonna click here on download. I'm gonna click on download. I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna click on download to download the Pycharm Community Edition. So I'm gonna click on download. Now Pycharm is gonna be downloaded on the top right hand side, and if you have a different browser you will see this in a different place. Okay, the downloading is finished. Just open this file, close the browser. It's asking us if you allow this app to make changes to our device. Click on yes. I'm going to click on next. This is the default location where Pycharm is going to be installed. You can change this location if you want, but I'm going to keep the default location. I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to add this bin folder to the path so I can execute Python code from the command line. And I'm going to check this Pycharm Community Edition, alright? And I'm going to click on next. And I'm going to click on install, and now Pycharm, as you can see on the left hand side, it's already showing, and it's going to be installed on my computer. Alright, Pycharm was installed. I'm going to check this. I want to manually reboot it later. Click on finish. Let's open Pycharm. Now Pycharm is opening, and I'm gonna skip import, and here we have the welcome window of Pycharm. Here we're gonna create all of our projects. I'm gonna focus on the left hand side on customize, and here you can change the theme. Currently the theme is this one, dark theme, but if you want a different theme you can choose from those here. I'm gonna keep the dark theme. I'm gonna click on new project. And here I already have Python installed, so if you don't have Python installed, just click on this drop menu and choose the latest version and click on that, download and install, and that is going to be downloaded and installed, and it's going to be selected here. Alright, I'm going to click on cancel because I'm not going to create a new project, and I'll see you in the next video.